Isaiah chapter 44. Isaiah chapter 44, verse 18 to 19. What does he say? He says, such stupidity and ignorance, their eyes are closed and they cannot see. Their minds are shut and they cannot think. Don't be a blogger, be a thinker. Read it. Read that. Let's read it together. Want to go? No, understood. For he has shut their eyes that they cannot see, and their heart that they cannot understand. Verse 19. Verse 19 say what? And none considereth in his heart, neither is there knowledge nor understanding to say, I have borne part of it in the fire. Yea, also I have baked bread upon the coal, therefore I have roasted flesh and eaten it, and shall I make the residue thereof an abomination? Shall I fall down to the stalk of a tree? What does that mean in essence? You see it? So stupidity, that's another interpretation, and ignorance. Their eyes are closed and they cannot see. Their mind are shut and they cannot think. That means what? Don't be sentimental. Don't be a blogger. Be a thinker. Say it. Don't be a blogger. Say it again. Be a... How many of you know who people we call blogger or bloggers? How many of you know bloggers? How many of you know bloggers? Bloggers are people that goes into people's story and bring you comparison. They know the one that is right, the one that is wrong. They put you. They can judge everybody, but they can never judge themselves. That's the work of bloggers. They talk about your prophet today. They talk about the prophet so tomorrow. They talk about Jesus tomorrow. They are bloggers. That is their own job. But they can never blog. They can never talk themselves. They can never be a thinker of their own life. They never think before they do anything. They will just put one plus one to make a story. Release it and go to YouTube. You will see so many bloggers. Many of us also, we are bloggers in church. Not only a blogger, and every bloggers, they are blunders. Say it. Every bloggers, they commit blunders before they now think. They commit what? Blunders. Many of us here, we commit blunders. People hearing me now, they commit what? Blunders. Before they now think. And before that time, they have subjected themselves to mockery. And we will congratulate them. Nobody. We will congratulate a blogger. Ah, well done. You've put that man down. The blogger is to push people down so that they can read and they can have followership. These are some of the things that social media is causing us now. People are no longer reading Bible. They are reading bloggers now. Don't be surprised now. Tomorrow you will see somebody who will say, Pastor Tau commit blunders. That will be the story of the day. Give it 2 weeks. They jump to another story. They are never thinker. Many of us, we are bloggers. You talk about your friend in worship team. You talk about yourself in Soweto. You talk about yourself in Alessandra. You are in Soweto, but you are talking about somebody in Alessandra. You are in Alessandra, but you are talking about somebody in Santi. You are bloggers. Say, I am a blogger. Say it. If you fail to accept that, you are in denial. Say, I am a blogger. Many people are bloggers. They are not thinkers. And many bloggers, they are not creators. They can't create anything. They can't be a creator. How can I live my stupidity life? Number 5 or number 6, always seek counsel. Always seek counsel. Don't be too known. That's what it means. Don't be what? Don't be too known. Many people are too known and they become not known. Many people are what? They are too known and they become not known. Because when you have become too known, you are master of all, nobody knows you. You are hidden. And they are a mockery. You are too known. Everything you are too known. In fact, as I'm speaking now, somebody is hearing me now saying, I know how to preach this message very well, more than this, what he's talking about. What he's talking about. I know how to preach that message. And then tomorrow, because he knows how to preach this message very well, he will see him, or you see her tomorrow now, opening his own church. Call the name of his church, the Thinker Assembly. The what? The Thinker Assembly. Because you know what? He knows how to preach more than what I am preaching now. Seek counsel. What does the Bible say about it? Proverbs 24 verse 6. He said, for by the wise counsel you will wage your own war. In the multitude of counsel, Lord, there is safety. Seek counsel. But when you are too known, you can never seek counsel. Ask questions from people that you think can help you. And when you ask questions for one person, ask for another person. Ask for another person so that you can compare them.